Rokid is a pair of AR lenses that are designed for everyday use. So these are in the early stages, and so far they have gesture control and voice control. And the final version that will be on store shelves later this year is going to allow developers to really play around with it and maybe build some new apps, see what this technology can do. Right now you can see people's faces, it can recognize people's faces and let you know who someone is if maybe you don't quite remember. There are plenty of other applications that we've seen developers testing out with things like Google Glass, and now it's coming to a more updated hardware with more features, gesture control, voice control, things that weren't possible in the past. So I'm pretty excited to see what developers do once they get their hands on this thing. Engadget is hanging out at CES all week, so stay tuned for all the news on Engadget.com.